this video, I will show you how to get your Roblox user ID. So let's jump straight into it. To do this, open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, to get your user ID, what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the three lines to bring up this menu, and then on this menu you want to come and click onto profile. Now, once you've clicked onto profile, what you want to do is come up to the address bar at the top in here, and your actual user ID is going to be this sequence of numbers over here. So it's going to look something like roblox.com/users, and then after the next /, the numbers after that is going to be your user ID. So of course you can highlight that, right click, click onto copy, and then paste that wherever you need to use your user ID. That is how to get your Roblox user ID. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.